Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I was very surprised when I got home and I found what was waiting for me was my Catlady Box, y'all. This is the June box, and this is a family favorite. My cats are crazy about this box, as is their mama. And now this is Cammie's first box, so they're all eating, so maybe they'll be here soon, we'll see. This gives me a chance to get it started. So I did cut it open, and when you open it up, it looks like this. Well, it's a little smashed. It gets a little, it gets a little bonked around, but it has tissue on it. It has a beautiful card in there. We'll look at that in a minute. And it has tissue, and it's wrapped up nicely in there. And we make use of everything in this box. The box itself becomes a bed for them. And look at this fabulous June card. Oh, does that look like fun? The cats are on an island somewhere having cocktails. I'd like to be doing that myself, but no go for me. So June's theme is sunshine and purrs. So the card always has an artist that they feature on it, and these cards are, they're nice cardstock, and you can frame these. They're just always so pretty, and you can really frame them and do such decorate with them and everything. So let me tell you about the artist. It is Ellie. I have to turn this a little bit to get the light. Ellie Szymanska is a teacher and an illustrator specializing in digital art and mixed media. She loves writing and illustrating books as well. Most of her paintings and doodles revolve around cats and other cuddly critters. She's a proud cat and dog mom and shares her home with 5 wonderful cats and a pug named Tiffany. And you can find more of her work at instagram.com/artwork by ELLIE. And check out her furry family at instagram.com/tipperandco. So if you need that information, just holler at me and I'll get it for you. Also, Catlady cares. Catlady, because of our subscriptions, Catlady is able to donate. Every month they donate to different organizations around the country. So these are the places they've donated in the last month or so. Peace, Love, and Paws, Western Plains and Animal Refuge, Philadelphia Animal Welfare Society, and Boomers Buddies Rescue. Because of you, we were able to donate to these rescues last month. And then on this card are the items that are in here for us. So there's a lot in here, y'all. So let's see. Somebody just sneezed. Let's see what's in here. So I'm going to open up the tissue. Oh, how cute. All right, the first thing I see, this is just adorable, and I love the colors. This is a woven cat trivet, and it's all in rainbow colors. Isn't that adorable, y'all? It's it's like rope. It's very thick. It's good and strong, and you can use this to put a hot pot on your table. You can use this for many things. You can put a flower on, a flower pot on here. You can put your Coke on here or your coffee. Just so many things. It is fabric. It says woven cat trivet. Does it say anything else? It says hand wash only and lay flat to dry. They show it with a tea kettle next to it. So yeah, it would be perfect to put your tea kettle on after you've boiled your water or anything. Let's see what the card says about it. I love that. I love that. Trivet is heat resistant, but not keep your cat off the counter resistant. The value is $14.99. So this is true. The cat, cats, who knows what they'll do. My cats like to lay on things like this, but this can go on your table. This can go on your counter. You can use it for lots of different things. I just love it. And it is, I hope you can see. Yeah, I think you can see that. The way that it's woven, it's all in rainbow thread. So that is just adorable. Thank you, Catlady Box. I love that. It's good and thick and everything, y'all. Okay, next we have this cute little thing. There's a little box in here. It says Kitty Trinket Dish. The cutest kitty dish to store all your trinkets in and keep little paws out of. The value is $10.99. Let's open that up and see just how cute it is. I know it's adorable because everything in this box is adorable. Oh, it's super cute. Oh, I love it. Okay, so it's a beautiful sunny orange or yellow, it looks like yellow of an egg yolk. And it's a cute little dish, and you can use this for so many things. You could use this for your tea bag, or you could put this by your bedside, take your rings off at night if you do that kind of thing, or in your bathroom if you take your rings off to wash your hands or whatever the case may be. I was looking to see, it says Catlady Box, oh, donates. Okay, it's talking about the donations. I was looking to see what it might say about it. Let's see what it says on the card. The cutest kitty dish, I think I just read that to you, didn't I? To store all your trinkets in and keep little paws out. Value is $10.99, and I was looking to see if it was food safe. It doesn't say. There's the Catlady logo on the back, but like I said, I would use this for like my tea bag. And did you see the design of the cats? Isn't that too cute, y'all? So that is precious. Or like rings or tea bags. That's what I would use that for. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And next we have this adorable box. Look at that. This is perfect to use for the Trivet. This is Paws and Flowers Pint Glass. So stay a cool cat all summer long with this they make all the words into cat words. So like perfect, but perfect. Perfect pint glass. So a pint glass is, like for beer or something, but of course you can use it for anything, Kool-Aid, whatever. $13.99 value. Let's open it up. Here comes Smudge. If you can see on this is big, so I'll show you here. The flower design has the paw prints on it. Keep out of reach of naughty kitties. Oh yes, most definitely. And it says hand wash only, do not microwave. And it is 16 ounces. I love a big cup. Okay, it is sealed. Okay, now Smudge, I need to get in there to get the other things out. Don't get the toys yet. I'll show them to you in a minute. Okay, let's open this up and see. And Camille has been finding every single toy that's been under things. She's cleaning up the whole house for me. So this is beautiful. I love it. It's glass, y'all. And look at the beautiful flowers. This is so nice and sunny for the summer. And in the center of the flower is a paw print. I love that. It says, to keep me looking perfect, please hand wash only. So I do that with things like this anyway. You might be able to put this in the dishwasher, but it might scratch up and stuff, because this is glass. Glass can go in a dishwasher. But this kind of thing, if you want it to last, it's better to hand wash it. So I will do that. I love that glass. It's bright. It's just so bright and cheery to me. All of these things are bright and cheery. And Smudge has helped himself to the box. Smudge, you're sitting on everything else. So I can pull the t-shirt out. Let me put the scissor away. And then he's on the, maybe I can pull this. Smudge, can I get that? Let's see what this is. This says Tropical Kitty Tea. Get whisked away to the islands and tell your cats we said meow, meow, aloha. Like aloha. The value is $22.99. Oh, this is nice. It's so soft. Their t-shirts are wonderful. I love their t-shirts. That's pretty much what I wear around the house all the time. And when I go out on the weekends, wear jeans and a t-shirt. And I did forget to tell you all, Catlady Box is a month. I get so excited about this. It's a monthly subscription box, and it starts at $34.99. There's a couple of different subscriptions. There's the Catlady Box, and then there's the Crazy Catlady Box that comes with the toys, and that's what they send me free for review. So thank you so much, Catlady Box. I just love it. Oh, this is so pretty. They don't make junk. They get the best t-shirts. Their t-shirts are this is so soft. Like, this is almost like a sleep shirt. It's so soft. And this is, I guess that's like a cream. I can't tell if that's a cream color or like a blush pink almost like a blush pink. And then here is the design. Isn't that beautiful? I love turquoise, anything. And it is I don't know what you call that, like a silk print, I guess. So it's tropical, beautiful tropical, and it looks long. I don't know if it's longer than other t-shirts, or if maybe it isn't. I normally wear like a 1X blouse, But like y'all know, in my Stitch Fix, I've been getting a 2X blouse because of the way that they do their sizing. That's what I choose. So on the t-shirts for Catlady Box, most of the time, if I'm going to get a t-shirt, especially one that can be man or woman can wear, I'll get a 2X. But on the Catlady Box, I do get the 3X because I don't like anything tight. And I'm telling you, I think I'm going to be using this as a sleep shirt, because it's nice and long on me. It's hitting me like halfway on my thighs, but of course when I stand up it might not. But I just love that. It's so soft. And I do believe all their t-shirts are cotton. Well, it's 60% cotton, 35% polyester, and 5% spandex, so it has a little stretch to it. So, and it's so pretty. So I love that Catlady Box. They always give you a wearable. Always get a wearable. And then we have 2 cat toys in here. They're both Catnip Toys, but Smudge is laying on them. So I'm gonna reach in. Okay. I knew where they were. They were like in the back of the box. Sorry, Smudge. This is all about sunshine and purrs. And these, oh my goodness, are these adorable. Look at this, y'all. This is Ellie the Jelly Catnip Toy. Oh wait, that's in, hang on. Like an octopus. Isn't that cute? Oh, I think this is something that Blue's gonna really love, because he'll get this in his mouth and he'll carry it around with him. It says, "Don't be jelly, your cats will love this toy so much. They may not want to share." This is true. This is how the boys are. They don't like to share their toys. Once they get one, but look at that cute little face on there, y'all. Is that not adorable? And it is, these are, they're furry on both sides. I'm not sure what you call that material, but it's, you know, it's like, it's a stuffed animal. And then they have it on both sides, the fur. So that's really cool. And then there's the bottom of it. And it looks like a little octopus. And it's Ellie the Jelly. Oh, somebody's sneezing. And okay, here comes Blue. And then the other one is Sassy Starfish Catnip Toy. And oh, this is valued at $4.99. And this one is valued at $4.99. And Blue already wants it. Look at how cute this one is, y'all. A little starfish. Is that cute? It says Sassy Starfish. Sassy Starfish is her name. She's adorable. So we have these super cute Catnip toys that they love the toys. Okay, Blue, can you sit? They love the toys. I'll try to take pictures, y'all. They start nibbling on everything and it gets all messed up, but I'll take pictures and put it on Instagram. Then we have this beautiful glass. I love this glass. I will be using this often. And then we have this cute little Trinket tray, which I just love. You can see the design of the cats in there. All right, y'all. And then we have this. I can put this right here. The fabulous Trinket. Trinket. I'm not. See, I get myself all perplexed or whatever. Trivet, the cat Trivet, and the wonderful t-shirt, which I just love. I'm telling you, this is so soft. They're like, I can't go on enough about their t-shirts. I mean, if you could see the quality, you know, a lot of t-shirts are junk these days, but these have the double stitching and everything. They're just made really, really well. So thank you so much, Catlady Box. We love our Catlady Box, and I'll show you some pictures of the cats playing, or maybe a little video or something of them playing. And thank y'all for stopping by and count your blessings, y'all. Thank you. Thank you so much, Catlady Box. We love it. You gonna play? Oh, I know that Smudge gets immediately mad. You wanna play? Oh. You playing, Smudge? Yeah, isn't that cute? He's on the starfish there. Wanna play? They're all lazy from supper. Uh-oh. Yeah. I thought you'd like that blue one for sure, Blue, because you could carry that with you. Cammie's her own little toy there. On plate. Okay. Blue, what you got? What you got, Blue? She just always wants to play with them every second, unless she's sleeping. You got that starfish? Isn't it cute? Yeah. He's going after Smudge. Okay. Well, thank you all for stopping by and count your blessings. Thank you so much, Catlady Box.